Hey everyone, and welcome to Teaching with Sierra. Today's video, I'm going to take you guys into a day in my life as I am a teacher's assistant, and I'll show you guys all of the things that I do. Some of the things that I do here on this channel is teaching videos, lunch video ideas, as well as ideas for math and literacy. And then I also give you guys a glimpse into my life on what it's really like to be a teacher's assistant. So if you like what you see, please be sure to hit the subscription button down below. It's free and it does not hurt to support someone like me and understand what it's really like as a teacher's assistant. All right, so I have me a cake batter donut here. That is what I'm gonna take with me. I'm about to make me a sausage, egg, and cheese Jimmy Dean biscuit. I just need to put this in a paper towel for a minute. And then I am going to make me a quick iced coffee using the Mr. Coffee Ice. All right, y'all, so I created like a quiet time book or whatever, and it just has a couple of different worksheets in here. I'll show you guys what I put together. It's simple and easy to do. So I found some of these off of Google. It's like March into Spring, draw a crazy spring day, favorite spring things to do, look what I found in a jar, I like spring because, and then the first day, then we have some spring garden word problems, and then you can finish the other half of this. Also, you can write whatever you want to write or draw. The kids can color by numbers, like not only off the dominoes, the tallies, and then the actual hand signal. And then just to color this, turn these circles into anything that they choose. They can draw a dinosaur, color the sunflower by color, and then just some copycat drawings. So it's the end of the day, and I have some things on the copier that I'm trying to finish getting together. I also need to start getting myself together, and once we get rid of kids, I typically have a couple more minutes to finish getting everything together. So I'm getting on my computer now to get ready to clock out, but also print some things off so I can grab it on the way up.